DK40 here, trying to finish up some of these jobs I got going on. I'm hauling some logs today, and that's pretty much a common occurrence. As you can see behind me, got a pretty good jag on, and I just made my way out to my sawmill. So what I'm going to do is shut her down, because I'm going to talk to you guys about a setup that one of you guys mentioned in my recent video comments. So let's go have a look. Okay. So what you guys mentioned, and this I'm referring to as Kevin Brewer, and I do appreciate it if you continue, everyone, with those comments, because it's really helping me and it helps others. But what Kevin Brewer had mentioned in one of my recent videos was about how you can use standard chain like you would use for, say, a trailer or tying down equipment, and use it as a choker chain. So what you see before you is essentially, I got 8 logs here. I got a pretty good jag, as I mentioned, and I've got my 3-point hitch with a setup with some hooks, and these hooks are pulling on some chain. Now this chain has hooks on the end, and you guys can see it right there. It's got just standard hooks on the chain that will grab onto a link and it won't slide, and that's no good necessarily for hauling logs, because it doesn't tighten as I pull. It actually, if the logs shift and some slack is brought in, well, that slack will cause a log to fall out the back. So what Kevin Brewer had mentioned in his comments, and many of you probably have also done the same thing, and maybe you just didn't comment, but what he had commented on was to set up sort of a setup like this, where this side of the link, this side of the chain, which has the hook on it, you create a bit of a loop, and then you run the other side of the chain through it. And what that does, it creates sort of a loop where when you pull, it tightens the bunch of logs together. It essentially acts as, I guess, a choker. And that's exactly what I'm looking for in this case, because I don't actually own any choker chain, nor do I own any log clamps or anything similar. And so using something that I have on hand is very convenient. Just your, your standard hook on your chain in order to make a choker chain. So Kevin Brewer, I really appreciate you commenting on that video and mentioning that. Not only did I find a lot of help from that, there's probably others who gained a little bit of knowledge and probably are going to help get help from that. So thank you for that. For everyone else, I do read every comment, at least every comment I can that you guys post. So continue doing so. I appreciate all the well wishes and the the positive feedback, and the even some of the maybe not so positive feedback. I like that too. Keep doing that. Keep sharing your ideas. I'm only one man. I only have one brain. I only have one set of ideas. Make sure you keep sharing with me, because you're not only helping me, but you're helping everyone around us who's reading the same comments. So guys, keep that up. I'm going to avoid the bugs and the heat, because believe it or not, it's incredibly hot out today, and get back in the cab because I got lots of work to do. Guys, thanks for watching. Come on back next time, and I will see you then.